Want to turn genuine customer love into your most powerful Shopify dropshipping ad? Let's dive into creating compelling UGC product review ads that drive sales. First, the foundation: sourcing your UGC. Look for video reviews where customers genuinely show themselves using and unpacking your product. These are gold. Collect the best written reviews to focus on those that mention specific benefits or solve a problem your product addresses. Now, let's build the ad. Start with a strong visual. Either a dynamic product shot or the most compelling part of a customer's video. Seamlessly weave in a short, enthusiastic customer testimonial. This is where authenticity shines. Overlay key quotes or highlight specific benefits directly from the reviews. Think clear, concise text that reinforces what customers love. Crucially, add a clear call to action. Tell viewers exactly what you want them to do next, like shop now or discover product name. Add some upbeat background music and keep the overall video concise and fast-paced. Aim for 15-30 seconds for maximum impact. Upload your masterpiece to your Shopify ad platform. Target demographics that align with your ideal customer to maximize reach. By showcasing real people and real results, you build instant trust and make your product irresistible. Start creating your UGC review ads today.